Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you the techniques to create a crossword game module in PutraBLAST 3.8. First, click Turn Editing On. Then, click Add Activity and Resources. In the Activity and Resource section, click Game Crossword. For crossword, you will need either a glossary or short answer question setup to begin. Click Add. Add the title to your crossword module. Add the description. Check this box if you want to show the description on the course page. Next, choose the source of the questions. You can either take the questions from glossary, from the question bank, or quiz. In this example, I will use the glossary. And select the glossary. Next, key in the number of attempts for the students. In this example, I will use only one attempt. Next, go to the crosswords option. Key in the number of columns or rows in your crossword puzzle. In this example, I will use 15. Key in the minimum number of words to be used in a crossword puzzle. Here I would use 1. The maximum number of words I'll put as 15. So decide whether to allow spaces in words. In here, I do not have any space in my words, so I will click No. Next, decide the layout for the questions, whether to be at the bottom or the right of the crossword puzzle. Here, I will click at the bottom. Now the basic setup has been completed. If you want to track student activity, then you need to set up activity completion. Then you need to also set up competencies. If you do not want to track student activity and competencies, click Save and Return to Course. As you can see, now the crossword game module has been created. Click to test out the crossword game. Click Attempt Game Now. Welcome. Click on the word to begin and continue. The crossword layout is randomly generated, so every student will get a different interface and random questions based on the number of glossary items set up. Click on any box to show the questions on the right. Now let's try to answer the questions. At any time, you can check the crossword. So as you can see, if there is any mistake done by the students, the box will be empty, while the rest, correct answers, will be displayed. so you can still make the correction. When the attempt has been completed, click End Crossword Game. To get the results, go back to the main page, click again on the crossword, and your grade will be able to be checked here. I hope this tutorial video is insightful and helpful enough for you to create your own crossword game module for your students. So get started and bye.